Hello everybody and welcome to Science Thrills. My name is Avik. Today we're going to be looking at parts of a flower. So my mom has dissected a hibiscus over here because the parts are clearer to see. And now I'm going to be walking you through with this rose here, very beautiful. So the first part I'm going to be showing you is the sepal, which is the part over here, the green part which protects the flower. Next part I'm going to be showing you is the petal, which is the thing that attracts this huge thing that attracts insects to come. My mum has already dissected the petals and the sepals of the hibiscus. Now we're going deeper into the flower. Let's go. Can you see, focus, it's not focusing. I hope you can see can you see that small stick there? That's called the filament.
Stuck on my thumb.
Yeah, can you see? There. The small stick over there is called the filament, and the thing on top of the stick is called the anther. Together, they're called the stamen, which is the male part of the flower. Now, go.
Okay, guys, let's continue. So now, if you can see, each of these things has a little blob on it, which is called the anther, and that is where you have the pollen grains. Can you focus on this, Avik?
Sure.
And this little stick is called the filament. Together, it's called the stamen. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be removing all the stamen from this flower so that we can reach the female reproductive part, which is known as the pistil. Just give me a minute. Okay, hi guys. We removed the male reproductive parts of the flower because we could then see the pistil very clearly. The pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower, and it is made up of three parts. So it's got something called a stigma, then this long tube which is called the style, and then you've got the ovary in which you've got the egg cells. Okay. Now the stigma has sticky ends, and that is where the pollen grain sticks, and that's how the whole cycle takes place. Now we don't want to go into too many details of that. For now, we're just going to be recapping all the different parts of the flower using this picture. So, Avik, would you like to tell us the parts of the flower, please?
Sure. So this thing is the stigma up here. And pistil is the stigma, style, and ovary, as my mum explained just now. All three of these are the pistil. And now there's the anther and filament, which is the stamen, which is the male reproductive part, just to tell you again. And now we're at the sepal. As you remember, you might not remember, but it's the green part of the flower. This. And last of all, the petals. Petals were these beautiful things which attract the bees and insects. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be seeing pollen grains under the microscope, so definitely stay tuned for that. And see you soon.